How to download Jump Force on Android mobile. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to your Google Play Store. Okay, tap this one here. Now you have to look for this application named Chicky. So this is what it looks like. Now you have to tap install. Okay. And then while waiting, you have to search for another application again, or let's just say VPN. Okay, so this is what we call Tomato VPN. So you have to tap this magnifying glass and then search for Tomato VPN. Okay, install and wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. Okay, and then once done, what you want to do is to open this VPN application, VPN Tomato, and then wait as it is processing. Now, what you want to do is to click this go. So once you are connected to a certain or specific server, you can now exit this application and then go back to Cheeky application. So you have to open Cheeky application here, and then you just have to go to the search icon or to the search bar and then look for Jump Force. Tap this one and then click play. It's easy as that. And thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next tutorials.